Hi, today I'm making street tacos and street corn. This is just a really simple, fast recipe and great for weeknights. So I'm going to start with a bunch of cilantro, a white onion, probably a quarter of this onion. It's about a medium-sized onion, and jalapeno oil, as well as one lime to add to the tacos. The marinated meat has chili powder, paprika, pepper, and lime juice. And so it's just marinated overnight. Skirt steak is what you're going to use. This is about 2 pounds. I'm adding a tablespoon of jalapeno oil to my cast iron flat pan, and then I'm going to cook the skirt steak, the marinated skirt steak, until it is slightly crispy. And you can sometimes buy this in the store marinated and chopped already. Otherwise, you just chop it yourself. I'm going to use street tacos. So these are the really small corn tortillas. And then I have that quarter, about an eighth of a cup of finely chopped white onion. And I put the tortillas on a plate first just to warm them a little bit in the microwave so that they'll fold easier. My cooked meat is added to the tacos. You're going to add the chopped onions, the cilantro, and lime juice over the tacos. And they're basically, you fold them, they're ready to serve. While you're cooking your skirt steak, you can also begin the preparation for your street corn. So basically, I took three whole stalks of corn here and just put them on a cookie sheet on 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And it steams the corn basically. And when it's done, you're going to peel it back. You'll add butter and pepper, as well as seasoned salt and a little Mexican cheese if you like that. Sometimes I even add little bits of cilantro. It's really what your favorite flavor is. So you're going to serve those with your tacos, and this meal takes under 30 minutes.